Hello everyone, I am Afsana Siddiqa and today I take you to explore the legendary and enchanting Chitralekha Udyan, a place that truly feels like the heartbeat of Tejpur. This isn't just a park renowned for its picturesque beauty and peaceful atmosphere, but it is where the colonial heritage and the vibrant spirit of Assam beautifully intertwines, making it one of the state's most treasured tourist destinations. Before we explore, here are some useful information for visitors. Chitralekha Udyan is located in the heart of the Tejpur in the north bank of the mighty river Brahmaputra. This century-old park lies just 350 meters away from the sacred Ganesh Ghat, near Gudiama, Tribeni and Kacharigaon. It takes 1 minute to travel and few minutes to walk between these two peaceful landmarks. It is open every day from 9 am to 7 pm. The entry fee is Rs 30 for adults, and of children of age group 5 to 8, their entry fee is Rs 10. Here we have got our tickets. Now let's step inside this amazing. Let's go. Every great destination begins with a story, but this one begins with art. Here you are welcomed by the magnificent statue of Chitralekha, legendary artist from the timeless love story of Usha and Aniruddha. She is famous for using her magical powers to paint the grandson of Lord Krishna, Aniruddha. So right behind it, Chitralekha is painting Aniruddha's portrait and we are lifting him to Usha so that two lovers can get united. And I feel that this priceless moment symbolizes the power of love, art and imagination. And because of this legendary tale, our Tejpur proudly carries the title, the city of eternal romance. Here mythology isn't just remembered, it is beautifully brought to life. Just beyond the entrance, great history begins to unfold. This remarkable park was originally established in 1906 by British Deputy Commissioner H.W.G. Pole, and after his passing, the park was named Pole Park in his honor. Following India's independence, it was renamed Chitralekha Udyan in 1996, honoring the legendary Chitralekha and celebrating Assam's rich cultural heritage. By 1996, the park was restored by Deputy Commissioner M.G.V.K. Bhan, giving it a fresh new life and look. But what makes this park a true treasure is what it truly protects. Chitralekha Udyan also serves as a living museum for the ancient Bamuni Hill ruins. Several massive 9th century stone pillars and sculptural ruins were discovered at Bamuni Hills. To protect them, they were brought here and placed on public display. So today, I am walking through the park and I am feeling like it is an open-air museum. Ancient stone sculptures, carved pillars and historical fragments narrate the story of early Assam over 1,000 years ago. Alongside history, you will also find vibrant and living culture. Here you can see beautiful monks depicting gods like Hanuman, Ganesh, demons like Ravan, and several other mythological characters. Showcasing Assam's renowned marksmaking tradition, I am just amazed by their beauty. And here is the MiG fighter aircraft. And it is the first supersonic fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. You know what's interesting about this? It is capable of flying twice the speed of sound and all-weather day and night interceptor. As we move deeper into the park, the atmosphere changes completely. As you can see, lush green gardens, colorful flowers, and towering trees. And peaceful walking path is the ultimate solace for you from the busy world outside. The heart of the park lies its beautiful horseshoe shaped lake. Here you can see how beautifully our beautiful Assamese Japi has been made. A symbol of Assamese identity, hospitality and pride. And a detailed map of our India representing our unity in diversity and national pride. And if you want to glide across this serene water, then you have to come to this place for your tickets and beautiful jackets. If you are into adventure and looking for a dose of thrill, then Pole Park has something new for you. There's skyline cycling, zip ball and zorbing ball. This is definitely a great spot for you to enjoy. Whether you are passionate about knowing great histories, fascinated by culture and the nature lover, or simply looking for a peaceful getaway, then Chitralekha Udyan has something for you. Every iconic sculpture and every peaceful pathway and every beautiful corner of Chitralekha Udyan tells a story waiting to be discovered only by you. And you can see different playing zones. Every children would love it. At last, I want to say that great destinations like this are more than just tourist attractions. They are part of our identity and also our responsibility. Let us preserve this priceless heritage by keeping it clean, respecting every great monuments, and protecting the serene beauty of our beautiful nature so our future generations can experience the same sense of wonder and pride like us. Come and experience Chitralekha Udyan, where every mythology lives through art and history is carved into every stone. Nature brings the ultimate peace, and our beautiful Assamese culture shines with pride. Can you believe it is standing strong since 1906 and it continues to welcome countless visitors from across the country? Let us continue to celebrate, protect, and proudly share the timeless beauty, heritage, and culture of our Golden Assam right here in the Chitralekha Udyan. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed exploring the great Chitralekha Udyan with me.
মনৰ বাতৰিবোৰ